Long lives the King, the tough job machine, Power King, a machine for which new and better features are continuously designed and quality and durability built in. Development under company policy is a continuous process. Policy embodying product safety, a guarantee of excellent dealer support services, and a well-rounded product line to please a broad range of tractor buying men and women. Classic big tractor design dating back to 1946 and the first Power King tractor. Now over 30 years and 50,000 tractors later, today's Power King is manufactured in the same fine tradition and image. Many things set the Power King apart from its competitors. Its size, its weight, its drivetrain, a wide range of attachments and implements for doing tough jobs. Strength and durability, precision and quality are all incorporated on the Power King production line, where unique designs become outstanding machines. Power King tractors deserve their name, for they're just that. Big and strong and tough. They can lick most any job of their size. American-built machines that are simple and easy to fix in 4 sizes: 12, 14, 16, and 18 horsepower, with easy starting engines, cast iron and roller bearings, and terrific torque in the working range. Every tractor is built to customer's order. But in all, there's solid metal-to-metal connection between the engine and wheels. Automotive components are rated for 25 horsepower, including a BorgWarner 6-inch dry disc clutch, which is connected to a BorgWarner 3-speed transmission, an enclosed drive shaft, and a Dana Spicer differential. Pinion shafts extend from the differential to drive massive final drive gears, which transmit power to the axles and wheels. High-ratio gearing provides great power and wheel torque. Various models offer up to 176-to-1 and 245-to-1 reduction from the engine to wheels. And Power Kings have the extra strength and weight to use that power for work. Tractor weight is supported in the rear on 1.5-inch diameter axles mounted in heavy cast housings bolted to a sturdy tubular frame. Thus you have a free-floating drivetrain undistorted by weight. There's great ground clearance and plenty of weight for ground gripping traction, thus putting all the horsepower to work. Front wheels roll freely on tapered roller bearings. The solid steel front support bar pivots on a 1 1/8-inch shaft. At the front, sturdy spindles carry the weight on thrust bearings for easy steering. Power King's all-gear drive is the key to superior work power. It gives near 100% horsepower at the wheel where it counts, providing more work-producing power, which results in greater output per gallon of gas. There's little wasted horsepower as with hydrostatic tractors. That's why the Power King is indeed king, outpulling hydrostatic tractors of like horsepower, getting up to 50% more horsepower to the wheels. For easy maneuvering, individual rear wheel brakes on the pinion shafts let you hold one wheel and turn while pulling a heavy load, or spin turn on one wheel. They also operate together for holding on hills and for parking. At each station, every specification and all components assembled at that station are checked for completeness and quality. Workmen are proud to apply their signatures on the quality control card. Reversible rim and disc on 24-inch wheels provide 4 separate widths for stability or to suit cultivating rows. Power King tractors can be equipped with a variety of tires where special ground conditions exist. Deep lug tires provide traction in agricultural and construction applications. Lawn tires and all-weather diamond treads protect delicate lawns. 750 by 16 lug tires serve a dual purpose. Wheel weights and tire chains improve traction. An automotive-type steering gear turns quickly and easily with a light touch on the wheel. Power steering is available for special applications and is especially helpful with the front-end loader. All powered attachments are started or stopped by pulling or pushing a knob on the dashboard. This switch controls electric power to an electromagnetic clutch on the front of the engine. It starts or stops the drive belt for the rotary mower, sickle, tiller, snowblower, and rear PTO. Operation is simple, fast, and safe with 2 separate safety interlocks. An exclusive option on the 14, 16, and 18 horsepower tractors is a second transmission, identical to the regular transmission, in the drivetrain ahead of the differential. This tandem transmission is used with attachments like tillers and snowblowers that require very slow travel speed while operating with high RPM on the tool. It provides a flexibility of 9 gear speeds, 6 ground speeds, and creeper gears down to 1/2 mile an hour. Power King tractors truly are working machines, not just weekend toys. Rotary mowers are offered in 2 sizes, cutting a 48-inch or 60-inch swath. A full-width rear roller reduces scalping. The mower can be mounted with the front loader attached and operable. And the mower lifts easily over walks and obstructions. More than 90 heavy-duty rotary mowers are sold with every 100 Power Kings. Indeed, a popular option. When a lady mows with a Power King, she sits like a lady. The mower cuts up to 3 acres an hour. A weed and insect sprayer is also available, with hand attachments for tree and plant spraying. All Power Kings can be furnished with a manual or hydraulic lift to raise and lower the attachments. The hydraulic lift has 4 positions: down, hold, up, and float. The lift controls a Category O 3-point hitch for rear-mounted tools, standard on the larger Power Kings. Leveling adjustment knobs are located on each side of the hitch, and pitch adjustment in the top link, which affords precise control in all directions. Power Kings are more than just lawnmowers. They work day after day with attachments like the 12-inch moldboard plow. Cutting clean and deep, it turns heavy soil completely over. Or the Brinley Hardy disc harrow with 11-inch blades set in double rows of twin gangs. It throws soil in or out to a width of 48 inches. There's the 16-inch disc harrow with 10 heat-treated disc blades with ample power to throw soil in and out according to the setting to a formidable 53-inch width. The Cole Manufacturing Company's corn and bean planter plants 4 kinds of seeds at 4 different distances at a pre-adjusted depth while spreading fertilizer side dressing. You have 3 choices of cultivators: a heavy-duty 3-point mounted model for larger gardens and light commercial use by Brinley Hardy, a lighter toolbar mounted spring tooth design for home gardens, and the straddle row cultivator, both from Engineering Products. Tall crops can be cultivated because the tractor's drop axle design gives up to 19 inches of frame clearance. There's a 32-inch rotary tiller for light tilling and cultivating, and a rear PTO for heavier duty tillers. The 5-foot sickle mower made by Haven cuts hay, grass, and weeds down to 2 inches. The lightweight hay rake with 20 spring teeth is 6 feet wide and easily dumped with an independent manual lift. Either the 42-inch or the 48-inch snowblower will clear up to 16-inch deep snow in one pass, throwing it up to 20 feet downwind to discourage drifting. There's also a 4-foot bulldozer snowplow for the Power King. Twin heavy springs absorb jarring knocks if an obstruction is hit. Blade angle is controlled by a trip line from the driver's seat. Introduce your customers to the V snowplow for sidewalks. Cutting a 48-inch swath, it can be widened up to 60 inches. It angles to double as a regular snowplow for driveways and other areas. The front-end loader works in snow, earth, sand, gravel, and topsoil. It can lift 650 pounds to a height of 78 inches and maneuvers easily in tight places, loading into auto trailers and low trucks. A 2-lever valve gives you precise double-acting control of the loader lift and bucket, including a float position in the lift. A separate 1-lever valve operates the rear equipment lift for other implements. There's also a Brantley backhoe for digging to depths of 6 feet, offered through Brantley distributors. The Power King bulldozer snowplow is great for light construction work, such as backfilling, and it stands up to punishment with its reinforced blade and renewable cutting edge. The rear grater is a highly versatile tool made by the Speco Company. It can be angled 15 or 30 degrees, right or left. Power King's log splitter accepts logs up to 26 inches long, splitting them with 20,000 pounds of force. Hydraulically independent, it boasts an 18-inch power stroke and a 15-second operating cycle. Power King offers you a real profit opportunity, a product you're proud to sell, a tractor with few problems, a top dollar value, A tractor significantly superior to its rainbow-hued competition. And a wide choice of easy-to-change implements. Power King is indeed the king of power, with its all-gear work power and long life construction. Witness old number 1, the first of the Monarchs, still workable after all these years. Power King, built in the royal tradition. Tough jobs bow before its might.